Absolute value equations. Solve the absolute value equation. And you're given the absolute value of x minus 2 equals 7. Now, here are some notes to help you solve this equation. Number 1, isolate the absolute value expression on one side of the equation. So now if you take a look here, the absolute value expression is all by itself on one side of the equal sign. So therefore you can check off the first step. Number 2, if it equals a negative number, it's a no solution. Okay, absolute values cannot equal a negative number. Here it equals positive 7. So there is a solution. We can now check off step number 2. Step number 3, rewrite equations as a positive and negative solution. Therefore, we're going to separate it into 2 different equations. One equation is x minus 2 equals positive 7. And the other equation is x minus 2 equals negative 7. And now we can check off step 3. And let's move on to step 4. Solve both equations. So, to do that, we'll use inverse operations. For example, with the first equation, we'll add 2 to both sides. Then you have a negative 2 and positive 2 cancel each other out. And you're left with x equals 9. On the other side of the equation, you're going to do the same thing. Add 2 to both sides. Positive 2 and negative 2 will cancel each other out. And you're left with x equals negative 5. So let's cross that off. We've solved both equations. And now you want to check your solutions. So what we'll do is we'll plug in our answers that we've gotten. So let's take x equals 9. So we're going to take 9. We'll plug it in for x. And it works out. It equals 7. Just the same, we'll take negative 5. Plug it in for x. And you wind up with an answer of positive 7. So both solutions check out. And we're done with this problem.